Dance with me, friend. Dance. You wanna dance? Come on. You hold C and then you press surrender and then you dance. See?
I'm gonna get a zombie after him.
Aw, but I have a key. Oh right, I can't use the key.
Oh. That guy almost
Here.
fucking died.
Here, here's your key.
Wait, can he use it?
No, you have to pick it up. He can't pick anything up. If he doesn't know how to break out, he is actually just dead. He is a nerd. He is stuck like that. He cannot pick up. He cannot eat. He cannot equip. How do I stop? I'm taking that.
He's looking at the key.
He can't pick it up.
Oh.
Did you want to let him out?
I don't know. I want to get this guy to... Well, I want to see the morals of this guy. He just went AFK. Let's leave the key here. We don't say oh.
Yeah, I can't.
Oh.
I can't.
Wait, did you animation cancel or what?
Yes. Well,
Okay.
no, you actually can't unlock someone else's handcuffs for some reason.
Oh. Wait.
Maybe,
So
maybe he can. we're gonna leave him with the fucking key. Then we just walk away.
he picked it up.
No, I didn't.
No,
I
he
dropped
did.
it.
He's following me.
The handcuffs, man.
He's trying. Fucking punching him. We gotta do that more often. That's fucking amazing.
I actually, it's great that the key doesn't work.
Yes. He's starting to panic now.
He can't eat. Wait a minute. Okay.
Maybe try relocking. Should I tell him how to break out?
No.
But oh. Did you throw a grenade?
Yeah.
Oh. He's getting attacked.
Yeah, that was the point.
The other guy is.
That was the point of the fucking grenade.
The other guy went AFK, he's dead. Okay.
Where's that
Night
key?
vision back.
I just wanted the key.
Okay.
Can you facepalm?
He doesn't have hands.
I know. I need something else to heal you. Could you like drop your helmet or something? Wait, maybe I can't do it because you're wearing a vest. Oh, yeah, no, the hands are stuck in the Alice pack. Drop your Alice pack. Try taking the Alice pack off. Maybe it's because I can't see your hands.
Here.
He fucking did it. He
Oh my
fucking
God.
did it. He did it. Wait, did you? Try putting it on the ground. It shouldn't matter, right?
I'm gonna scrap his shit and turn it into medical supplies.
Could you try dropping the Alice pack? It's still not working. Maybe your vest? It kinda is stuck. Or your gun. Or your machete. Your machete's also on your bag.
Fucking 220 already.
I guess prisoners were supposed to be naked?
Got more over here.
Literally holding this kid hostage.
I'll just try to keep loot cycling then.
Oh, he dropped more!
Oh my God. Scrap.
Here, how come I can't use this on you? Your shirt. I guess that's the only thing else I can think of. And your machete. I already tried, it didn't work, see? I love that this is a feature.
Yeah. I'm surprised they're still going.
You're just gonna have to drop everything. Cause you're just gonna dehydrate, I guess. Maybe it'll work if you make it, I guess. I don't know. This game's really old. Vacuum up a shit. Even the garbage. Bye.
Fucking nothing left. I'm taking the garbage. It's as if he was never here. Then we just disappear.
Ah shit, come on. There's no way he didn't see that.
He didn't look at me. He's fucking.
He's dead. He's dead. If he doesn't know, he's dead.
He didn't know last.
Oh, airdrop.
Where?
Oh no. What if the airdrop comes over here? It's right above us.
Oh. Oh God.
What if he can't get into it? I haven't seen it drop. And it's normally near the later. Oh my god, there's no way.
Yep.
No! No!
He's gonna have to watch us loot it.
Oh, it's so scary.
Let him get to it first. And then he has to just watch. Drop it all right in front of him, yes.
Look at all this good stuff. I would really like that scaler. Is that okay? You can have the rest though.
Oh wait, do you need healing again? You were dehydrating last time. Hold on, I'm gonna make you some healing supplies.
Are we actually going to? Oh my god. He's not dehydrating now.
I know I'm being stupid.
How would you? Why doesn't this work?
Just poked him with the key.
Maybe give me the key. Give him the key.
He just fucking looks at it.
Go ahead, take the key. Why not? Just you press F. It says pick up handcuff key F. You press F unless yours is different. Just press F. It's not hard. Come on.
Okay.
Hold on.
Oh, sorry, misclicked.
Come on. Maybe we go to the water. Let's go get some more another key. We're gonna go to the prison. We're gonna go in the water, okay? You can swim, right? He stopped for a second. Come on, you see it? It's the prison. It's in the lake.
Oh, I dropped something.
What's it?
Just fucking fully modded Dragon Fang. Oh, god damn it.
Wait, no, I mean I figured that. Come on, we gotta go over there. Come on. You can swim somehow without your hands. If we just start going under the water, will he follow? Just let him go to the prison by himself. He's fucking sitting on the shore waiting for us.
He went back out to the water.
Oh, he's coming back.
See him.
Alright, let's just go. Pretend like that didn't happen. Oh, hey, okay. I got my stuff. Let's go. Friend.
He didn't see us.
Over here, we're over here. You got lost in the water. We got lost. There's so many bubbles. They're following me religiously.
I want to lock him up in one of the tower things.
Oh, please. Look, it's a pro trick. It's a pro trick. You go.
Yep, now go prone. We just go silent.
I left him a thief top and a gun.
You can't even fucking take it.
Yeah, no, go ahead. Go peek in there. Go peek in there. He won't be able to see you. Do you have a grenade?
Yeah.
That was perfect, I think. How do they not see him? He's jumpy. I knew I had a jail cell door in one of these. Oh, this way, this way, this way! Run! You know, it's probably pretty crazy that I have this.
Oh. He's gonna fucking die.
I was trying to use the fucking splints on him.
Fucking amazing.